Welcome to our guide on inserting a micro SD card into your Xiaomi C400 smart camera, allowing you to capture more footage worry-free. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off the camera. Make sure your camera is turned off to avoid any potential damage to the device or the SD card. Step 2. Micro SD card slot. Slide the lens upward to reveal the micro SD card slot. Step 3. Insert the micro SD card. Carefully insert the SD card into the slot until you hear a click or feel it securely in place. Step 4. Power on the camera. After inserting the SD card, power on your camera. It should automatically detect the SD card and set it up for use. Step 5. Check SD card status. Open the My Home app. Choose the camera and press Open. Go to the settings by tapping on the 3 dots. Choose Manage Storage. Select SD card status, and you will see the card status as good, indicating it is working correctly, along with the available recording time. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi C400 camera in the playlist linked in the description below.